Once open, there are several sections that make up the workspace. We have the player tabs. We have the video edit toolbar, so a whole section down here. We have the video library, which is where the sources exist. We have the export queue panel. We have the control sidebar, which is this whole section here that includes your codec settings, your adjustments, which is your enhancements and filters. And you have the export menus. Now there are other sections to look at, and we'll do that a little later, but those are your main go-to sections of the application. So once again, here is your player and tabs. Okay. Here is your edit toolbar. Here is your video library or your sources, your export queue, your controls sidebar, and your export menus.